Amazing day, everybody. Welcome to my wellness journey, episode 3. And today's September 20th. So, today we're still in the physical health part. So, what I'm going to share today is about working out, exercising, right? So, how many of you tried to do workout or exercise before that hindi consistent yung pag-workout? I'm one of them. So, consistent tayo sa maybe 2 to 3 na workout in a week, but what I've learned is true consistency para makuha natin yung results is every day. So yes, even we do workout in a day like 1 or 2 hours, but then you're not gonna do it again the next day or the next 2 days. Maybe you're just doing it once a week. So, walang makikitang result, right? So, what I've learned and what I'm doing now is every day na workout, kahit 15 minutes a day, but consistently doing it every day, then definitely mayroong result, right? With the eating habits din na sabay, right? So, yeah, 15 minutes, and I know normally we do 3 repetitions sa mga types of workout na ginagawa. You can either do 1 repetition, but at first lang naman, and then gradually or eventually you can do more, right? 3 repetitions up until an hour a day. So as a start, para lang na magawa natin yung or ma-practice natin yung consistency sa pag-workout na everyday natin magagawa. Then we can start small effort or 15 minutes to 20 and then to an hour a day, right? So yeah, and it works. I've done it before too, like everyday ganon. But then nadi-distract tayo at nai-stop tayo sa pag-exercise. So yeah, it works pag small effort muna, and then nako-continue natin ng everyday na. So yeah, and also to help us to keep our immunity or to boost immunity and energize din tayo sa pag-workout is isama natin yung ating amazing pure organic barley. You can mix it with your protein shake or any workout drink na meron ka. So napaka amazing ng ating pure organic barley, 68 micronutrients. So I would not be sharing this if it's not a good product. It's not that the business side lang, because I could do another business, right? But amazing pure organic barley and other amazing products na meron kami as a distributor is maraming great products, not just the health and wellness products, we have the beauty products as well. So with that said, I'm also looking for more distributors na gustong mag-distribute ng amazing pure organic barley worldwide as one of the distributors ng I Am Worldwide Corporation. That's the company name. And because I know there are a lot of other barley products sa ibang company, but mine is from I Am Worldwide with that amazing pure organic barley. All right, so yes, definitely exercising, working out is we need that. We need to do that every day. So if you haven't started yet, it's time na part sa wellness journey mo yung working out. Because it's not good na you start working out when, you know, ang laki mo na, ganyan. And yung ating Amazing Pure Organic Barley, it helps to manage your weight as well, na ideal weight mo. That's one of my testimony din is before talagang ang sarap kumain, right? So tumaba tayo. But then I noticed na even na parami ako ng kain, but then nagtitake ako ng Amazing Barley, hindi ako lumalaki. You know? Kumbaga, yun pa rin kasi it's a good detox yung ating Amazing Pure Organic Barley. So it detoxify your system. It's the number one detox yung ating Amazing Pure Organic Barley, or the barley product itself. So again, if you have questions about Amazing Pure Organic Barley, let me know. And let's get to your wellness journey. Sabay ka sa akin. So that's it for me today, and I'll see you on my next episode. Thank you, and have a great weekend, everyone.